Alright, so we finally have the Gmade right here. So, you haven't seen the body, painted it a green with a silver stripe going through it. Back to here, I think it looks awesome, looks just like a Ford Raptor. And then we finally got our electronics in. So we got a Hobbywing Fusion right here, which is going to be great. An ecopower 120 servo, these are really good, lots of torque, and they're not too expensive. And then just a metal servo Traxxas horn. So, we got our tools and stuff. We're going to pop this off. And this actually pulls out like that, because there's those little clips hook right into there. So it's a cool body design. So we already have our 2-speed shift servo in. We already have the FlySky receiver. But we're going to put in the servo and stuff. We're going to have to remove this first. So yeah, let's get right into it. Phew, they packed this all in here, but here's what we're looking for. The motor itself, if we can ever get the thing out, jeez. So, this is our Hobbywing Fusion right here. So it is a 2-in-1. We have the ESC and the motor built into one, and it should fit on Gmade perfectly. So, yep, it'll fit in there perfect. So you get the motor, little manual. Oh, it's nice. They give you some servo extensions, which we might need for our servo if we can reach to the receiver, because it's actually technically at the back of the car. And the cat's up. Sorry about that. Got 2 zip ties, and then the programming card, which is always nice to have. I love that they include this, so you can go and program everything. So if we got ESC thermal temperature, that's a new one. Yeah, it lists them all on the front now, which is cool. So yeah, now we're just gonna bolt this all together. Alright, so there's a hole. The way this goes in, you slide it in, then you turn it up, turn the motor up, and then this will finally align. And you'll get it tight. So it's this screw right there. It's hard to see, but then it's got the set gear mesh. So it's kind of a pain to get it in, because you can't see the receiving end where the screw goes in, but just move it around, then it'll click and go in. So that's the motor in. Okay, cool. We got all our wiring done. Got the motor in there. Still got this loose plug. We just gotta put this backing plate like that on. Our servo is connected, so it should be good. And then we'll power up and calibrate it and make sure it all works.